Today's Friday, 12th of April. I'm going to start on these coal silos here. I'm going to make them just a little bit taller, but using the same type of tubing. I think it's a 3-inch tubing. That's what it is. So I'm going to use the same method on the outside. I'm going to use 100 grit sandpaper this time. So this will be a short video on it, but basically just showing the end product. Let's get started. Alright, this is the tube I'm going to use. It's 17 3/4 inches long by 3 3/8 inches wide, which is the important part. I'm going to cut it down to 8 inches tall, cut it in half or thereabouts, and I'll have 2 silos. Alright, here's a tube cut in half. Each piece is 8 inches long. We'll give them the edges a good sanding down, and then I'll paint the sandpaper. Alright, I'm finishing up the sandpaper here. As you can see, I'm just using a little bit of water, and let's see, start off with some green gray, light green gray. Gonna work that in a little bit. A little bit more. And need a little bit of dark gray there. Alright, need some white now. A little bit of brown. A little bit more brown on there. On the palette. Oh, splatter. That'll be alright. Alright, the concrete is done for those 2 silos. We'll let this dry. I'll press it and then we'll glue them onto the silos. Alright, here are the coal silos. I put a top on them. These 2 would have been poured at the same time, so they're going to have somewhat matching concrete, I guess. So next step is to glue them on there. Glue these on there. I left a little gap in between the 2, as though that's how they were built. They were built on a pair. Alright, here's these 2. These will be the coal silos. That'll go against the east wall. I'll dry brush them a little bit more. And this one I used the 100 grit. I like this a lot better. This looks pretty good. Turns out pretty cool. Alright, there's the coal silos finished. Next to it I have the, what I'm going to call the grinding silo. They're 8 inches tall. They have a matching deck roof on them. And I'll end up putting in between them I'll put a bucket elevator and some more pipes and a handrail along the top side. And put a little bit more weathering on them also. It took me probably an hour to do everything there. Basically that grinding silo was already cut. I just spray painted that steel or aluminum or whatever color it is, shiny. It'll get some other colors eventually. But there it is. On this I used 100 grit sandpaper. It turned out a little better than the 60 grit, so I think I'll continue using that on the silos. It shows up really nice with the naked eye versus the video. But thanks for watching.